During the Chinese New Year, one of the essentials is to bring in the spring vibes into your homes. Spring evokes new hope, and bringing in spring flowers and new plants aims to welcome the spring and hope into your home. After the month-long spring cleaning, people will decorate homes with plants and flowers and to create a festive atmosphere and bring auspicious energy for the new year. This ritual of bringing flowers and plants into the homes serves multiple purposes beyond simply enhancing aesthetics. Did you bring flowers into your homes? If not, watch till the end to find out the symbolism of each flower so you can bring the right flower home and bring that spring, bring the auspiciousness and prosperity, abundance feeling into your home for this Chinese New Year, Year of the Snake 2025. The symbolism is flowers symbolize renewal, growth, and new beginnings, which align perfectly with the spirit of starting a new lunar year. Auspicious means each type of flower carries its own unique significance. For instance, the plum blossoms represent resilience and hope, while the peonies symbolizes wealth and prosperity. Hence the name Hu Hui Hua. It means prosperity flower. Displaying these flowers can invite the positive attributes into your home. Vibrant colors, the bright, lively colors of flowers can lift the spirits and create a cheerful atmosphere. Red, pink, and yellows are particularly popular as they are associated with joy, luck. Connection to nature. Flowers bring a touch of natural world outdoors, indoors, helping to create that connection with nature. We are part of nature, so bringing that connection in helps to create a sense of calm, grounding, and tranquility. This connection to nature can be especially refreshing after the cold winter month. Tradition. Many people incorporate flowers into the New Year celebration as part of the long-standing tradition, in a way to honor cultural heritage and pass this custom down through generations. So like the Vietnamese people, they like to bring longevity into their homes, which is symbolized, the symbol of it is that chrysanthemum, to bring longevity, health, long life. So decorating with the flowers isn't just about. It's also a way to infuse your home, fill your home with hope, fill your home with positivity and sense of renewal as you welcome the new year. People often choose plants and flowers that symbolizes luck, prosperity, and good fortune. And here are some popular options. Trees like oranges and kumquat trees, associated with wealth and good fortune because of the fruits resemble gold. Plum blossom trees symbolizes resilience and hope and are one of the most beloved flowers in India. Flowers like daffodils in the UK and also in Europe. After a long winter, daffodils are one of the first spring flowers that will sprout up from the ground. And these flowers represent prosperity, hope, the new season of spring and good fortune. Peonies known as the flower of riches and honors, believed to bring wealth and luck. Chrysanthemums, this flower symbolizes longevity and often used in New Year's decoration. Orchids symbolizes luxury, elegance, and vitality. And also don't forget the lucky bamboo and the lucky jade that often bring into the home, to bring 步步高升. It means every year you grow a little bit, you grow a little bit. And the jade tree is actually a succulent that can withstand a lot of harsh weather. So it represents dedication, strength, and courage. Also, showing you some delicious food that's connected to the New Year's celebration. And look at all the delicious food that maybe you can find from the shops easily. Also, one of the most important tradition is to have the ancestors' prayers one day, the New Year Eve, one day before Chinese New Year. So there's a connection between the past, remembering the past, reflecting upon the past, and thinking about how simple life was at that time. Gives us the strength and courage to think of the blessings and the gratitude of how we have come so far in our life, and how the courage and every day trying our strength, our courage, our hard work every day has brought us so far enough. Just reflecting on the past and our history and our origin gives us that courage to go on. And looking in front of us, like Fo Guang Shan's Xing Ying Fa's message is that 前面有路. It's bright future ahead of us that has a lot of hope. And we must find that path, and we must walk bravely, courageously, with trust on this new path that will bring us to hope and opportunity. So this is the prayers that I did for the New Year Eve. I'd like to show you all the special food that has a lot of symbolism, and each of them has got meaning. And when you look at it, it's actually the main thing is to bring abundance to our life, and to share it with the spirits and the ancestors and the people around. The love and the joy. Happiness is best when it's shared. So showing you one of the easiest recipe, and also one of the most delicious recipe that is from my mom. This is called the Juhu Cha. So it is stir fry with 3 vegetables: onions, bangkwang, which is jicama, or bangkwang, so jicama. It's a root vegetable, and some carrots. Give it a good stir. It is all shredded thinly with a shredder, and then all you have to do is put it all into a wok. Make sure your wok is big. This is 2 jicama, and I'll just gently stir it together. And as you stir, it will just, it will cook and become softened. And all you need is a few spices like soy sauce, a little salt, one spoonful of sugar, and some pepper, sea salt, and a little bit of water, like a half cup. As you stir, it will soften, and it will best and the most delicious vegetarian dish you will ever enjoy from Chinese food. Because it's not easy to shred all these vegetables, it is usually only prepared on the special occasion like New Year Eve. And when it's called Bangkwang Cha, it's a vegetarian version. You can also put in prawns or seafood, and usually they put sliced rice, and then it becomes Juhu Cha. But here I omitted the Juhu because it's very difficult to find this here in the US. So I just made a very simple vegetarian dish with 3 vegetables: onions, jicama, and carrots. Just stir fry with a little bit of soy sauce, pepper, a pinch of sugar and salt. That's it. A very delicious meal. And if you like this video, I'm just showing you a glimpse of Chinese New Year and how it's celebrated, with the ushering of bringing in flowers and plants to the homes, cleaning, spring cleaning, some beautiful dishes, and also the joy of going to the shops to choose all this delicious food to share with family and loved ones. This is the beauty of any festival, any celebration. And if you like this video, comment below what are the flowers that you have brought into your home, and also what are you still thinking of bringing into your home. We would love to know that. And also, what are the delicious meal or delicious food that you have brought into your home for this special occasion. It's good to share this in the comments so that everyone else will be able to learn from the experience and be able to make their occasion joyous and special, maybe for this time and also for the next. Don't forget, Chinese New Year is celebrated 15 days of the first Lunar New Year. You have 15 days to celebrate, and I also recommend and advise and suggest this festivity and the New Year celebration of hope and joy. You can continue to have them throughout your life. Thank you for watching and have a good day.